Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to personalize your notes or use your own designs, adding a costume background in Goodnotes lets you turn any page into a unique template. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add a costume background in Goodnotes in 2026 quickly and correctly. First thing first, prepare your costume background. Okay, so before importing, make sure your file is image like PNG or JPG or PDF. High quality, it's recommended, and correct size or aspect ratio, okay? E4 or Goodnotes defaults. This ensures clean and sharp backgrounds. You can also import the background into Goodnotes. So option 1 as page, so open Goodnotes, tap new or import. Select your file, so this adds it to a new page background. Save it as a template, so this is the best method you can do it. So to reuse your background, open the page you want to costume background, tap the three dots, okay, select template library, and then tap edit and plus add templates, and then import your file. Now it becomes a reusable template. Okay, you can also apply your costume background to go to any page. For example, tap the three dots and select change template and choose your costume template. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.